Company Limited was founded in 2015 and is located in Xiamen City, Fujian Province. Our main products are electric breast pump and manual breast pump. We have a wealth of industry experience and are one reliable supplier. Our Hold factory are equipped with both advanced production devices and skilled frontline employees. Knowing that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products, we have established the quality management system of ISO 9001, which is also in line with the international quality standards. Not only quality system certificate, we had also obtained certificates of CE, ROSE, FCC, CB for both electric and manual breast pumps. Our company insisted to output at least 5 new models every year to meet various demands in market. Providing excellent service and products for customers is our eternal pursuit. Our products had sold worldwide. Now Dopsa had won the unanimous recognition from consumers for its intelligent performance, stable quality, and perfect after-sales service. Our Hold factory have a professional R&D team. We can also design and produce according to the drawings and thoughts from our customers. Both ODM and OEM orders are welcomed. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to consult and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. Look forward to your visit. Thanks.